Thank you for showing an interest in wanting to study mathematics at A level. Over the course of this video, I'm going to break down for you an outline of the course, the learning, what we will be taught, assessments, how it is graded and how you will be awarded a qualification, some likely activities and topics that you will learn through learning mathematics, and finally how maths can influence your career or your further university studies. A-level maths is broken down into two main teaching areas, which is pure mathematics and applied mathematics. Over on the right hand side of the screen there, there's a description of what pure maths is. Pure maths can be thought of as the heart of mathematics, and you'll diversify your understanding of the fundamental concepts of GCSE maths, and use various proofs and techniques to solve problems that are both real and abstract. Mechanics and statistics make up the applied proportion of the course, where mechanics is using mathematics to model the world we live in, and we will look at how you can analyse the motion of objects and the forces acting upon them. Statistics makes up the second part of the applied course, and statistics will teach you how to analyse data and reach conclusions about the likelihood of events occurring. Throughout the course, you will build upon your GCSE skills and you will hone your ability to solve increasingly difficult mathematical problems, as well as abstract and scientific ones too. These problem-solving skills can then be applied to many different areas of your life and are excellent preparation for a wide range of university courses. You will learn how to analyse proofs, patterns and structures, which will in turn help you develop exceptional critical thinking skills, which are the fundamental building blocks for your further studies and your future career. A-level maths will also give you excellent research skills that allow you to find solutions to problems, investigate theories, and access new information more effectively. You will develop your logical and numerical reasoning abilities so that you have the tools that are needed to make sense of a rapidly changing world in the 21st century. Our subject mission is to provide all students with a solid understanding of the fundamental concepts of mathematics, and allow you to apply these skills and understanding in a variety of situations, applying your logical and critical thinking skills across a diverse range of problems. There are many subject areas that you can go into if you have an A-level in maths. It opens a lot of doors and shows employers that you are able to organise and think logically, as well as having good perseverance. There's a list there of lots of possible careers. That's by no means the extent of the list. There are lots and lots of other careers that you can go into. Some of the ones that jump out at me there: engineer, game designer, cartographer, data scientist, computer scientist, mathematical physicist, an accountant, animator. Okay, there are lots and lots of areas that you can go into with a qualification in maths. Bit of a subject overview then. On the left hand side there you have part of a exam past paper from 2019. That's something that you'll study in year 12. A lot of these topics here will be new, particularly the ones from year 12 and then going into year 13. You'll build on some of them you will have learned at GCSE, and we will just sort of go down a little bit deeper into these. So surds, you may have done trigonometry, would have been covered at GCSE level, but some new fundamental concepts here are differentiation and integration, binomial expansion, bit of coordinate geometry. That's for the pure maths. On the mechanics side of things, we look at Newton's second law, velocity time graphs, kinematics and vectors. Statistics, we look at probability, statistical distributions and hypothesis testing. In year 13, we kind of build again on the work that we've learned in year 12, and we'll go into more detail in differentiation and integration, as well as look at some new topics there, which include functions, partial fractions, and implicit and parametric equations. The course is assessed purely on exam, so there is no coursework in maths. You will sit 4 exams. 2 of those are sat in year 12 and 2 of those are sat in year 13. You can see there that the pure maths exams are 2.5 hours, and in year 12 it carries a weightage of 25% and 15% for the applied. And then you can see that obviously there year 13 has a slightly higher weighting. Again, a 2.5 hour exam for the pure and 1 hour and 45 minutes for the applied. But it's important to note there that the year 13 weighting is sort of slightly different. Finally, some additional information that you might be interested in. The specification for the course can be found by clicking on the WJC qualifications website. That will give you more of a breakdown of the course involvement, topics, and program of study. The Further Maths Support Network, in addition to offering A-level maths, you can also opt to do further maths. That's a subject that is taught off-site and is done purely on an online basis. You'll meet up with tutors and will be taught the course purely in an online context. But there's some more information about the Further Maths Support Network can be found by clicking on the second link there.